Did you know that managing quantities in Teamcenter can be a tricky business? If you have ever struggled to display the right quantities or maintain fraction values, you are not alone. In today's video, we will show you a simple trick to manage quantities in Teamcenter and display them correctly. Let's first talk about packing BOM lines. Rather than simply defining the quantity, it is best to create an individual BOM line for each quantity, as this will help us comply with other systems when we want to integrate them and transfer the BOM from Teamcenter to, for example, SAP system. Simply copy paste the BOM line and ensure that they have same find number. To pack a BOM line, simply select the components you want to pack and click the pack button, which is available under view menu. This will combine the selected BOM lines into a single BOM line with total quantity. However, keep in mind that packed BOM lines quantity cannot be edited directly. If you need to make changes to a packed line quantity, you will need to first unpack it, make your changes, and then repack it. We suggest to work with packed BOM lines for all the unit of measure which have geometry or CAD data. Have you ever needed to display a fractional quantity in your BOM line, but found that Teamcenter only shows whole numbers? Then you are not alone. Even though Teamcenter allows to enter a fractional value for the quantity for a component, example 1.2 for 1.2 liter of paint, Teamcenter will display the quantity as a whole number, but will multiply it by the correct value in the background. So how do we display the correct quantity? The good news is that there is a simple trick to make this work. We need to set the display decimal for quantity preference to the desired number of decimal places we want to display. In our case, we want to set it to 3. Please note that this preference is not available by default, hence we need to create a new one. Now we need to start a new session, hence we restart the client. After restart, we see the right quantity with 3 decimal places. Another useful trick is to remember mark certain quantity as required, which can help ensure that your BOM accurately reflects your production needs. To do this, simply type A/R or just the alphabet A in the quantity field for the component you want to mark as required. Teamcenter will display a warning message indicating that the part will be non-geometric, meaning that it will not have a CAD file associated with it. It is important to understand the restrictions that Teamcenter enforces when it comes to managing quantity. Here are the key points to keep in mind. The unit of measure each can only have whole numbers, whereas custom unit of measures can have floating or fraction values. You can indicate a quantity as required by typing A/R or just the alphabet A in the quantity field. This is case insensitive and can be abbreviated to A. By default, Teamcenter display quantities with 2 decimal places. However, your administrator can increase this to change this restriction. In our case, we demonstrated it with 3 decimal places. When editing quantities, packed BOM lines cannot be changed directly. You need to first unpack the lines and then make the changes. That brings us to the end of today's video. We hope these tips and tricks will help you manage your BOMs more effectively in Teamcenter. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on digital transformation. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.